Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Phemex. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Phemex is a popular cryptocurrency exchange with more than 5 million clients worldwide that was founded in 2019 by Jack Tao. This exchange offers hundreds of crypto pairs, an academy for beginners, high-yield, flexible staking and savings plans, and several types of bonuses and promotions. As a client, you will be able to trade spot markets, contracts, and OTCs. Phemex is one of our top-rated cryptocurrency exchanges for beginners, and you can use the copy trading platform to try different strategies and duplicate the trades of more experienced investors. If you are an aspiring developer or crypto enthusiast, you can join the Phemex Student Foundation and enroll in one of the research modules. You can also join the All-Star program if you have many followers on social media and you would like to earn some extra income. Phemex offers more than 280 crypto pairs, consisting of tokens from DeFi, GameFi, NFTs, the Metaverse, Memecoins, smart contract platforms, and much more. This exchange is a popular platform for spot trading, OTC trading, contract trading, and derivatives trading. You can also trade perpetual contracts with 100 times leverage on Phemex. To view all the available crypto pairs, simply click on the Markets tab and either use the search bar or filter and browse the lists. The Phemex Academy can be used to learn about crypto and blockchains. Here you will find free, comprehensive guides and articles that give you expert insights into buying and selling crypto, using strategies and robo advisors, managing risks, and navigating the markets. You can also use the technical analysis guides to identify trading opportunities and learn all about DeFi, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, and the Metaverse. If you are ready to start learning, simply click on the Learn tab and select the Academy option. With the Phemex Learn and Earn program, you can get paid to read articles, watch videos, and take quizzes. For every lesson you complete, you will receive a cashback voucher. And each time you make a trade, the voucher will reimburse a portion of your fees. To start earning with Phemex, simply click on the Learn tab and select the Learn and Earn option. Phemex has awarded more than $50,000 in scholarships, and more than 25 students from 10 international universities are participating in their crypto and Web3 research programs. If you are interested in joining, you can apply to the scholarship program directly from the Phemex website by clicking on the Learn tab and selecting the Student Foundation option. For anyone who has never traded before, we highly recommend trying the simulated trading experience. This way, you can learn to trade crypto without any of the risks, and you can try out spot trading or contract trading. You will be able to use the simulated trading platform on your desktop or mobile device, and it gives you an opportunity to try different strategies without risking any capital. If you are looking for ways to increase your earnings, you can either stake your crypto for 7 to 14 days at a time and earn a yield of up to 18% on some cryptocurrencies with Phemex Earn. Phemex also offers limited promotions where you can earn significantly higher rewards And you can also join the launch pools for access to more exclusive tokens and new listings. The Phemex Launch Pool features newly listed tokens from upcoming projects, and you can earn incredibly high yield by staking in one of these pools. You can find a list of all the latest launch pools by clicking on the Earn tab and selecting the Launch Pool option. If you want early access to hot coins, you can also buy them directly from the Phemex Launchpad. Keep an eye on the Launchpad page to make sure you don't miss any opportunities. You can access the Launchpad by clicking on the Spot tab and selecting the Launchpad token. If you are new to crypto trading, or you would like to experiment with different strategies, but you don't have the time or the money to do so, we recommend trying the Phemex Copy Trading Program. All you need to do is create an account, click on the Contract tab, select the Copy option, and follow one of the traders. What we like most about Phemex is also the promotional offers. This exchange offers a welcome bonus, a deposit bonus, a social media bonus, referral rewards, and a very rewarding all-star program for social media influencers. With the Phemex welcome bonus, you can earn $20 for just signing up with them. You can also earn a deposit bonus if you make a single deposit of Bitcoin or Ethereum after you have finished the identity verification process. There is also an advanced bonus of up to $140 anytime you trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Link, Litecoin, or the Tezos token. You can also earn a $30 bonus when you start trading, a $10 cashback voucher when you place a stop order worth 500 Tether, or a $20 cashback voucher if you trade more than $5,000 in Bitcoin margin contracts. Phemex also offers a referral bonus where you can earn up to $200 when your friends join Phemex using your link. If you are a social media influencer, we highly recommend joining the All-Star program, which will reward you with up to 50% commission income from all the people who join your network on Phemex. To view all the bonus offers, click on the Promotions tab. You can also participate in trading competitions to stand a chance to win your share of the prize pools. Make sure to bookmark the trading competitions page to stay in the loop. Phemex offers a beginner-friendly mobile application that can be used to trade crypto and derivatives anywhere and at any time. With the Phemex mobile application, you can customize your indicators, analyze charts in real time, and easily buy, sell, and stake crypto directly from your mobile phone. You can download the application from Google Play or the Apple App Store. Phemex does not currently offer a proprietary wallet. However, we recommend transferring your assets to one of the following wallets after you've purchased them if you do not plan on staking them. The first wallet is Trustwallet, which is free to download and use. This wallet supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trustwallet is a great option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The next wallet is the Coinbase Wallet. The Coinbase software wallet supports more than 4,000 digital assets and offers a built-in decentralized application browser. It can be used to store NFTs and integrate seamlessly with the Coinbase exchange. And lastly, we have the Ledger hardware wallet. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. All you need to do is create an account and link your wallet address to your Phemex account. You can easily create an account with Phemex in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Phemex homepage and then click on the Register Now button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. And once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Once you have created an account, you can buy crypto using either the peer-to-peer exchange, a credit card, or over-the-counter. After you have made a deposit, you will receive your welcome bonus. To buy crypto, click on the Buy Crypto tab and choose a method. If you choose credit card, you will be able to buy crypto using more than 50 fiat currencies. If you choose peer-to-peer, you will be buying crypto by paying with crypto. If you decide to use the OTC services, you can buy crypto by making bank and wire transfers. With Phemex, wire fees are low, and the bigger your transaction is, the lower your fees will be. Your transaction will be settled within 2 hours. Phemex offers 24/7 customer support, and you can reach the multilingual customer support team by clicking on the live chat button. We also recommend visiting the FAQ section and reading their user guides if you need any assistance with managing your account, using the tools and platforms, as well as opening or closing trades. So, what do we like about Phemex? If you are new to trading, we highly recommend opening an account with Phemex because this exchange provides some of the best educational resources that you will find online. Phemex offers more bonuses and promotions than any other exchange, as well as a great selection of crypto pairs from DeFi, GameFi, the Metaverse, and all other avenues of crypto and blockchains. If you are interested, be sure to open your Phemex account today and make your first deposit to earn a welcome bonus of up to $130 US and get a head start on your trading career with one of the leading crypto exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of Phemex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.